Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Cyberduck for FTP/SFTP transfers to VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL, cyberduck.io. Press the enter key to navigate to the Cyberduck homepage. Once the page loads, look for the download button prominently displayed. Click on the download button to start the download process. After the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. If you are using Windows, find the Cyberduck installer file named cyberduckinstaller.exe. For macOS users, look on Windows, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. For macOS, drag the Cyberduck icon into your Applications folder. Once installation is complete, open Cyberduck from your Applications or Start menu. You will see the Cyberduck main interface appear on your screen. To connect to your VPS, click on the Open Connection button. Choose either FTP or SFTP from the drop-down menu based on your server's requirements. Enter your server's hostname in the server field. Next, input your username and password in the appropriate fields. If you are using SFTP, ensure that the port number is set to 22. Click on the Connect button to establish the connection to your VPS. You may receive a warning regarding the server's identity if connecting via SFTP for the first time. Review the information, and if it matches your server, click Allow. Once connected, you can now drag and drop files between your local machine and your VPS. To upload files, simply select the files you wish to transfer from your device. Then, drag and drop them into the desired folder on your VPS. For downloading files from the VPS, select the desired files and drag them to your local machines folder. Ensure your transfers are complete before closing the Cyberduck application. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and set up Cyberduck for FTP/SFTP transfers to your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.